Axie Infinity price right now is $62.49, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.30 billion, market cap of $3.81 billion, and market dominance of 0.19%. The AXS price increased 20.9% in the last 24 hours. Axie Infinity reached its highest price on November 6, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $163.89. The lowest price since its ADH was $42.09 cycle low. The highest AXS price since the last cycle low was $62.42 cycle high. The Axie Infinity price prediction sentiment is currently neutral. Axie Infinity's current circulating supply is 60.91 M, AXS out at max supply of 270.00 M AXS. In terms of market cap, Axie Infinity is currently ranked 13 in the Ethereumsector, ranked 3 in the NFT Tokens sector, ranked 3 in the gaming sector and ranked 3 in the Metaverse sector. According to our current Axie Infinity price prediction, the value of Axie Infinity will rise by 6.7% and reach $66.22 by March 29, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the fear and greed index is showing fear. Axie Infinity recorded 53% green days with 6.09% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Axie Infinity forecast, it's now a good time to buy Axie Infinity. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $55.78, Axie Infinity has support levels of $53.29, $48.54, and the strongest at $46.05. Similarly, Axie Infinity resistance levels are at $60.53, $63.02, and $67.77. Axie Infinity price is positively correlated with the top 10 coins by market cap with a value of 0.637, excluding Tether, and positively correlated with the top 100 coins by market cap, excluding all stable coins with a value of 0.478. To get a better idea of what could happen to the Axie Infinity price in the future, it's helpful to also explore Axie Infinity's price history. In the last month, the AXS/USD pair is up 17.57%. The one-year performance of AXS/USD is 1,394.26%. Over the last 30 days, Axie Infinity had 53% green days. According to our historical data, it is currently profitable to invest in Axie Infinity. The price of Axie Infinity increased by 1.394.55% in the last 1 year. The price of Axie Infinity in the IEO was 10 cents, and the token sale ended on November 4, 2020. Since then, AXS price increased 624.99x against US dollar, increased 78.79x against Ethereum, and increased 200.96x against Bitcoin. Axie Infinity price in US dollar has increased by 17.4% in the last 1 month. AXS is up 3.47% against Ethereum and up 5.09% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. The top performing year for Axie Infinity was 2021 when the price of AXS increased by 17.224.32% from $0.537717 to $93.16. The worst performing year for Axie Infinity was 2021. The price increased by 268.39%, from $0.145 to $0.537717. The average yearly growth of Axie Infinity over the last 3 years is 8.746.36% per year. Usually, Axie Infinity performs best in Q3 with an average of 1,211.76%. Gain and worst in Q2 with minus 0.44% loss. The retracement phase marked 2 down channels on its daily chart as the alt lost nearly 74.4% of its value after its ADH. Consequently, AXS touched its 6-month low on February 24. Following this, it hovered near its POC. Although it lost the critical 61.8% Fibonacci support, the bulls were keen on keeping the 78.6% level intact. As a result, the alt saw a falling wedge breakout on its daily chart over the past week. As the buyers attempted to counter the prevalent selling spree, the distance between the 20 EMA and 50 EMA decreased. Now, with the bulls managing to close above the POC, AXS chart pictured a morning star candlestick pattern, thus improving the chances of a sustained uptrend from its immediate demand zone in the $46 to $50 zone.
Cause we be on a time.